Thanks so much for staying with us for the weather report and forecast. Now, Melissa, with a clearly defined eye in our satellite imagery, continues to present a broad area of shower and thunderstorm activity across the central Caribbean and the Jamaica area. We can see the heaviest rain bands just towards the north, affecting sections of the southern portion of Jamaica over the past few hours. We did also have some very heavy shower and thunderstorm activity affect sections of the northwest of the island earlier today, and we are expecting continued motion towards the west and still for that turn towards the north over the next 24 hours or so. Now let's have a look at what rainfall patterns in the system have been like. We have been seeing the heaviest rainfall across sections of the northeastern portion of the system, and we do also have some very heavy showers in rain bands around the system which have been continuing to affect the Jamaica area over the past 24 hours or so. We did record upwards of 50 millimeters across some sections of southeastern parishes, and we are expecting increased amounts as the system moves further towards the north and over the island. Now let's have a look at the track of the system. We're expecting that Melissa, a category 5 system, should be moving further towards the northeast over the next few hours. Currently we have the system at a category 5, expected to make landfall over the southwestern portion of the St. Elizabeth parish somewhere near the Black River area late in the afternoon tomorrow. We are expecting the system to then weaken down to about a category 4 as it moves through the island and out towards the Atlantic, or towards the Caribbean rather, just towards the west of Falmouth. We're expecting that the system carries this projection over the next few hours. Now let's have a look at rainfall patterns expected across the area tonight. Now, shower and thunderstorm activity affects most of the south tonight. We're expecting also across sections of northeastern parishes very heavy showers and thunderstorms tonight. Going into tomorrow morning, temperatures are dropping to 22 degrees Celsius in Kingston, and we expect temperatures in Montego Bay to drop to 23 degrees Celsius. Now, showers and thunderstorms continue across most of the area tomorrow in the morning. For the afternoon, that's when we're expecting the hurricane conditions to be widespread across the area. Showers and thunderstorms. Temperatures are getting to about 27 degrees Celsius for both Kingston and for Montego Bay. Now, hurricane conditions continue for most of the area tomorrow, Morant Bay through to Mandeville. Showers and thunderstorms are expected as we move further towards the southwest. Heaviest activity is likely across sections of Santa Cruz, Black River, Savannah, Lamar, and Negril. We do also have showers and thunderstorms in hurricane conditions forecast for the northeast in Port Antonio and Port Maria. Elsewhere across the north, heavy showers and thunderstorms are still expected to continue through the area. We are also expecting strong storm surge across sections of Falmouth, Montego Bay, and Lucy in the afternoon tomorrow. More clouds, showers, and rainfall are expected to affect the island on Wednesday. We do also have strong winds through the period. It's not until Thursday and Friday that we are expected to see generally sunny conditions, especially for the morning, with isolated afternoon showers, partly cloudy skies also, especially across the east. That's Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Now the winds. Gusting to 55 knots on the north tomorrow from the northeast. We expect wave heights to get up to about 5 meters, between 4 and 5.5 meters. Now on the south coast tomorrow, we're expecting the winds to be reaching 120 knots. We're expecting sustained winds of about 90 knots with gusts to 120. Now the wave heights anywhere between 9 and 12 meters above what we normally expect. The winds are coming out of the south-southeast as the system moves northwestward. Now, across offshore areas, winds are gusting to 145 knots. We do have hurricane conditions offshore. We do expect the wave heights to be between 12 and 14 meters above normal. And the outlook, the winds are expected to turn west-northwesterly on Wednesday when the system is north of the area, and a lot of those winds are coming from the west. We do have a northwesterly regime expected on Thursday, with the speeds dropping down to about 10 to 15 knots. Wave heights between 1 and 1.5 meters. And then on Friday, some normalcy with the winds from the east, particularly the northeast, speeds between 10 and 15 knots, wave heights between 1 and 1.5 meters. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. We thank you so much for watching and stay safe.